Hey, if you've noticed CapCut using way too much CPU on your PC, yeah, that can make your system lag or even crash. Don't worry, I'll show you how to reduce CPU usage and make editing smoother. First, make sure CapCut is fully updated. Outdated versions often have performance issues that increase CPU usage. After updating, restart the app and check if CPU usage improves. CapCut can offload tasks to your GPU instead of the CPU. Go to Settings, Arrow Preferences, Arrow GPU, Acceleration, and turn it on. This reduces CPU load and speeds up previews and exports. Other apps running in the background can hog CPU power. Close unnecessary apps like browsers, games, or video players while using CapCut. High-resolution projects or preview settings can spike CPU usage. Try lowering your project resolution or reducing preview quality in CapCut. Outdated drivers or system updates can cause performance issues. Update your GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and make sure Windows is up to date. So yeah, updating CapCut, enabling GPU acceleration, closing background apps, lowering resolution, and updating drivers usually fixes high CPU usage. Try these steps, and your editing should run much smoother.